Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about WarriorPlus, but in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about how you're going to be able to set this up so you can start promoting. Because people were asking questions like, I can't find the vendor in WarriorPlus or whatever. You know, how are they able to set this up? Now, so this is going to be more of a practical video, but guys, you know, in some of my previous videos about WarriorPlus, I've been showing you how you could make $2,000 a month and how I'm personally generating commissions almost on a daily basis using WarriorPlus, literally just running it in the background. It's really, really simple, but just by promoting products I love and my team love, and generating a lot of traffic as well at the same time, because these are great traffic platforms that I'm using here. So we're going to be showing some, I'm not going to go through all these, you know, how to set it all up completely. Just give you a hint as to how you can get this set up quickly. So, you know, first of all, you obviously need WarriorPlus. You need to set up a WarriorPlus account. You can register for WarriorPlus just by going to WarriorPlus.com and registering for free. And then also you need a LeadsLeap account. So on my link below, you can get a LeadsLeap. Again, you can set that up for free as well. And you'll need this share code. Again, this page will be below. So you need the share code. You can even set this page up as a free member of LeadsLeap. So that, you know, you can get this page added into your account, and then you can start promoting. Also, I highly recommend setting up MegaMarketingPro, which is a free marketing system that I created. And we've got these programs in step 2 of MegaMarketingPro that you can rebrand. And by promoting this system, you'll be able to, you know, your leads will be able to come through your link of these platforms as well. So that's another added bonus there. So let's get started. So what people were saying is that they were trying to look how to set these up, and they were trying to look because they wanted to promote these. You need to get your affiliate link on WarriorPlus. You need to add that to your to your page. Okay, once you import this page onto LeadsLeap as a share code. So you get the share code below here on this page. Okay, and this video will walk you through how to set up a share code. Once this page that you see here is in your LeadsLeap account, okay, and you'll see it in there on the page manager, okay, area. You'll see your page, okay, and then it asks you for your link. You need to change the links. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So you go to affiliates, because you're an affiliate, okay, and you can go to the I think you'll need to go to the dashboard, I believe. Hold on, let me check. Hold on, no, sorry. Actually, I think it might. All right, let's go to offers. Okay, that's the one. Now, when you're in here, we're going to look for the vendor name. Okay, so what you can do is you can go to my page here, or if you set it up already on your, let's take wholesale premium traffic, for example. Go to wholesale premium traffic, open it up. Now, guys, a little thing to understand. You know, I know people want to just quickly promote something without even purchasing the product, and to me, in my opinion, I think that's just my opinion. Okay, this is just my opinion. I think it's wrong. I think you should purchase the product if you're going to promote it. Okay, that's just the way I feel. Okay, you can disagree or whatever. It's up to you. But how would you? You know, I wouldn't purchase anything from you if I knew that you hadn't even purchased the product. I mean, if you're promoting something to me and you're saying, oh, this is a great traffic platform, or this is a great tool, or whatever, and then I say, okay, well, you know, what are your results? Oh, I haven't purchased it, but I'm just telling you it's a good platform. I'm not going to purchase from you if you're not going to purchase this stuff. So make sure that you purchase first, at least once, so that you know what you're getting, and do it because you're passionate about it. You're in business, so anyway, what I'm going to show you here is once you're on this page, you go down and you just, as if you're going to purchase, okay? So let's say you just click on a random link, okay, buy now, okay? All you need to do is just to get onto the buy page, okay? Now go ahead and purchase. I mean, honestly, guys, it doesn't make sense for you to promote something and you're not even thinking about purchasing it. I mean, honestly, I will go as far as to say shame on you for promoting something if you're not purchasing the product. So for heaven's sake, purchase these products before you promote it. Okay, that's my advice. But if you're just looking for the link at this stage, here's the vendor information here. Okay, so go here where it says vendor. Okay, and then go back to WarriorPlus. Okay, and then paste it in there, and then search. Okay, and then down here is you'll see system exclusive traffic. Okay, and then you can get your link. Okay, initially you'll have to request it. Okay, and then they'll approve it, and then you can get your link, and then there's your link that you need to use to promote. Okay, so yeah, that's what it's called. It's called system exclusive traffic. They actually changed the name. It's actually technically wholesale premium traffic. So if you go here and you actually look at it, okay. Hold on a minute. Where is it? Doesn't actually. Not seeing the page. Okay. Well, it's. Hold on a minute. Okay, well anyway, it's the same deal. And once you get your link, anyway, so anyway, when I click my link here, this is the page. Okay, so that's my link. You see, it's the same link. It's wholesale premium traffic, but for whatever reason, I don't know, they're calling it system exclusive traffic. Okay, but it's the wholesale premium traffic. That's what you're looking for. Okay, and then you can look for the next thing, and you can go to Easy Cash Formula. Okay, so you got something maintenance or whatever. Okay, so you had that's under maintenance. Click engine, and then if you click the buy button, okay, and then see vendor Jeff Amon, okay, and then you copy that down. You go to WarriorPlus. Okay, I'm going to go back to WarriorPlus. Go to vendor name and then paste, and then search. Okay, and then it's the click engine. You get your link. Okay, you might have to click the request button first, but then once you've been approved, and then you can get your link. Now you can sometimes put other options in there. So buyer bonus URL. So anyone who buys something, you can put a bonus URL to a sort of a free tool or a brander or whatever. Forget about that one, and then you click save. And anyway, this is the page that they go to. Okay, so that's your link. And then the same applies. Oh, where is it? So the same applies to that's the click engine, the scalable solo ads. You can go to the page, you can click order or buy or whatever. But again, guys, don't promote stuff unless you're absolutely intending to, buy. Hold on a minute, let's have a look. Oh, that's proof. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me just okay. Okay, so click on a buy link. Okay, and then here's the vendor's name. Copy. Go back here, vendor's name, paste, search. And then scalable solo ads, that's the one. And then I click that just to make sure that's my link. Yep, that's the one. So that's the page I was looking for. But when you're looking for your link, let me just paste that in again. So when you're actually, in order to get your link, okay, you need to click here. Don't click on it and then paste it and then copy it. Just click, copy it directly from that. That's the link, okay? So that's what you're copying. Okay, and then you put it into your funnel. Okay, so that's how I set up these funnels. Now, if you get stuck on any of these buttons, just delete the button, okay, and then rearrange the buttons. It's up to you. So if you're not intending to promote all these buttons, you can delete them, or you can replace them with another offer or whatever. Okay, just think of this page as a template, and then that would be fine in order to set that up. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next training. Bye for now.